Electrical engineering has always been at the forefront of innovation, powering our homes, industries, and lives. But what if I told you that the next big leap in this field is being driven by artificial intelligence? That's right. AI is revolutionizing how we design, build, and manage electrical systems. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 ways AI is transforming electrical engineering today. Buckle up, because the future is now. Number 1 on our list, smarter power grids. AI is turning traditional grids into intelligent networks. With machine learning, these grids can predict demand surges, prevent blackouts, and even optimize energy distribution in real time. Imagine a world where your city's electricity never falters. That's AI in action. Next up, predictive maintenance. Electrical engineers no longer have to rely on reactive fixes. AI algorithms analyze equipment data, predicting failures before they happen. This not only saves time and money, but also ensures safety. For example, utilities using AI have reduced downtime by up to 50%. AI is also supercharging renewable energy. By analyzing weather data and energy consumption patterns, AI ensures solar panels and wind turbines operate at peak efficiency. It's estimated that AI-driven optimization could increase renewable energy output by 20%. Designing circuits has never been easier. AI tools like neural networks can analyze countless configurations to find the most efficient design. What used to take weeks can now be accomplished in hours, pushing the boundaries of innovation. AI doesn't just detect faults, it isolates them instantly. This capability is critical in power systems, where quick action prevents widespread outages. Engineers now have an ally that thinks faster than any human ever could. AI is at the heart of smart homes. From managing energy consumption to automating appliances, AI-powered IoT devices ensure optimal efficiency. Imagine your house adjusting the thermostat and lights based on your habits without you lifting a finger. Energy storage systems, like batteries, are critical for renewable energy. AI optimizes charging and discharging cycles, extending battery life and ensuring energy is always available when needed. The EV revolution is powered by AI. From battery management to self-driving capabilities, AI ensures electric vehicles are smarter and more efficient. It even optimizes charging station locations, making EV adoption seamless. In manufacturing and maintenance, AI-powered robots are game changers. They assemble components with precision, inspect systems for flaws, and even perform high-risk tasks, ensuring safety and efficiency. Finally, control systems. AI algorithms allow for adaptive, real-time responses in industrial settings. From controlling machinery to optimizing production lines, AI is the brain behind smarter factories. And there you have it, the top 10 ways AI is transforming electrical engineering today. From smarter grids to self-driving EVs, AI is shaping a future that is efficient, reliable, and awe-inspiring. If you found this video fascinating, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and engineering insights. See you in the next video.